Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing, is this thing on? Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing, is this thing on? Hello. Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting features of Midjourney, chat rooms. We'll be covering everything from how to navigate these rooms, set up your own private space, and collaborate effectively with others to create stunning artwork. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your creative journey. Let's jump right in. All right, so let's talk about chat rooms in Midjourney. If you've ever wanted to collaborate, get feedback, or just share ideas in real time, chat rooms are your go-to feature. They provide a space for users to connect and work together on prompts and image creation. These rooms are key to unlocking collaborative power. Now, there are different types of rooms you can explore. First, there are the public rooms, which anyone can join. You can hop in, share your ideas, or just observe the creativity unfold. Then we have private rooms. You can see there's nothing here, which require a password. Perfect if you're working on something confidential or with a specific group of people. Now, let's dive into navigating this interface even more. You'll see there's a list of rooms right here, each with its own title. Right here, there's the description and even a snapshot of recent activity right here, as you can see on the right side. Then you can easily spot which rooms are active. Here we go. So by looking at the colored icons, as you can see, who are present in the chat rooms there. So if you're interested in voice chats, some rooms right here, some rooms are even supported that for more direct collaboration right here. And yep, also, the best part, these rooms aren't just for passive observation. You can actively participate, whether by generating images, refining prompts, or simply offering feedback to other creators. Pretty cool, right? So, let's say you've got a specific project in mind, or you're working with a select group of people, and you need some privacy, that is. Well, that's where the Create Private Room feature comes in. It allows you to set up a custom space where only invited members can join and collaborate. No distractions, just focused creativity. Now let's take a look at how you can do this. On the screen, as you'll see right here, you'll see the option to create room. So once you clicked it, this window popped up right over here. Here you're going to start by giving your room a name, right down in this one, this section right here. Make sure it's something descriptive, but not too long. Well, Midjourney has give you like 50 characters to work with. It could be anything from like, let's say I would enter fantasy art workshop. Just make it clear so others know what this space is for. Now going down, we have the room description. You get 100 characters this time to add a bit more detail. Maybe you want to specify what kind of collaboration is going on. Like for example, I would put like right here, collaborating on fantasy character design as an example. So the key is to let others know what they're walking into. And finally, the most important part, password protection. You can set a password, then to confirm it to lock your room. So for example, yada, 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 yada. There we go. And here, my password now secured and has been put in right here. So it's a great way to control who joins, well, especially if you're working on a sensitive project or just want a smaller group to collaborate with. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that you're familiar with how to collaborate in the chat rooms, let's dive into using these spaces to create better prompts. Or you can just mess around to interact with one of the users that are active in the chat rooms and participate along with chatting and asking how to improve your prompts for the image generation. So let's take a deep dive. Here's how it works. So let's check out one of these chat rooms, that is. So let's say we're like beginners. So let's join the newbies right here. There we go. As you can see right there, this is just recently generated by one user right here. So in this section, this is where all the magic happens. You can just put in your prompt right here as an example over here. So let's say you want to create a mystical forest, and here are all the details right here. So by hitting enter, or you could just have an image to come up along or adjust the settings just to tweak out with the preferred image results that you wanted. Then you could just hit enter right now. There we go. So now it's submitted and it's currently processing with the image generating, that is. So just wait a while. So meanwhile, for this one, here is the chat room, just in case. If you need help from other people that are familiar with Midjourney, like for example, if your prompt doesn't match with the image generation results that you'd expect, you could ask for help right here. Just send a message. Okay, just go back and let's see the results that we have right here. And look at that. It's not bad as I'd expect, I would say. See, this looks really good. And as you can see right here, this is how other people would take notice and kind of appreciate with how you generated. And there are others going to participate along and test it out with more generation right here. And yep, this is quite helpful with interacting with other users or maybe even collaborating into generating images together. It depends on how you could connect with other people through chat rooms. Pretty impressive, I must say. And that wraps up our deep dive into Midjourney's chat rooms. As you've seen, these rooms are a powerful way to collaborate, share ideas, interact with one another, have fun with the prompts for the image generation, and refine your prompts as well to create even more stunning images.